Hey guys, as promised a few days ago on my X account, I said that I'm gonna release a video demonstration with the tool that I built for Limitless.exchange, a prediction market website like Polymarket, but on base blockchain. So let's jump straight into it because I don't want to waste your time. So I just want to present what I have here, and maybe we will like it, and maybe not. I don't know. Right now is in a extension development, so I'm waiting for Google Chrome and other and Mozilla to have it approved. But meanwhile, I just wanted to show you what's all about, so maybe you will find it interesting. So as you can see here is the original UI when you enter in 1 hour market. Everything is like you see here. By default you have market orders, which is a bit annoying because the spread is more than 10% usually, so you don't want to buy market because you already lose like 10% from your edge. So this is one thing that I don't like. The other one is that you have to make a lot of clicks just before placing a limit order, because by default you have market, so you have to click for limit, choose your side, enter your price, number of contracts, then submit, and your orders is on the list. In the other side, I can show you what I built. So this is the tool that I built in the past 2 months, I guess. You can see here I have a lot of features, so I'm gonna quickly go through all of this just to show you what this is capable. So as you saw here, just to place a limit order, I have to go through like 5 clicks. Here on the other side, if I want to place a limit order, I just need to click one of these quick buy buttons, and boom, same order in the order book in 1 second. Another thing, you see, I always have here limit because I don't want to pay the spread, so all my orders will be limit orders. I prefer to wait than to buy the premium price, And for selling, the same, we have quick sell. In this panel, we can always add more. So for the quick buy, you can modify the default. I have this free. Maybe you saw my orders in the order book because I used to trade a lot, so not too much in the past few days because I was busy with some offline shit, but I'll be back in very soon, so you will see again free orders here because it's a prosperity number, so I like to use it. Okay, let's move forward with another feature is the smart buy. So you just use the smart buy, choose your price where you want to buy. So let's say you want to buy at 0.2, boom, 0.2, another order placed. You see, by default again, free orders, but this will all be customizable, so you can choose the amount, whatever you like. Same with manual buy, but you if you want to buy, let's say, lower amount of contracts, you just enter the price and the number of contracts, and boom, same thing but with a customizable contract number. Same thing with manual sell, just enter the price, okay, number of contracts or max contracts, and boom, he will try to sell the orders for you. I don't have any position yet, but this is how it works. So as you see, I have a bunch of orders, and if I want to cancel all the orders without clicking again, I just use the cancel button orders, which also has, by the way, all these have shortcut keys. So as you see here, if you hover the mouse to the button, you can see Alt plus X is the shortcut. I'm just hitting it on my keyboard and everything is cancelled, no more orders in the order book. We also have manual arbitration, so if you want to place an order on both sides, just use this button, let's say 0.1, and boom, you're gonna place sorry, it was by default to the sell, and let's try again because that's a thing that I need to fix, because if we are on a sell side and we want to buy with this arbitration function, you need to be again on the buy side, so it's a bit of a logic which I have to fix. But yeah, if you want to just put an order on both sides again, doesn't matter the price, you just hit a button, enter the price, and boom, you have the orders on both sides. Panic sell, if you want to sell the position, you will see here it will switch from limit to market and then to limit back, just to can be able to sell your position. You see, and now back to limit, so you can sell everything before expiration without entering the price or the number of contracts. Smart arbitration function is not working right now, but I'm gonna fix it soon. It's same concept as manual arbitration, arbitrage, just with different prices. If you want a price for yes and another price for no, you just enter the prices. But I don't know, now is something broken in the model, I'm not sure what. You see, so but it worked in the past, but I don't know why it's not working now, but I'm gonna fix this soon, so don't worry. You can also sell half of your position by using this. Sell half, and another great feature which I have here is the trading journal. You see, we have all the orders that was placed, but here again I need to change a bit the logic, because it takes a trade from the quick buy which is cancelled. So but the concept is here, just to journal your trades, add notes, and the other thing. Here we have a calculator which is calculating the first order on the yes bid with the first order on the no. you see 11 and 95. If the total number is under 100, we have an arbitrage opportunity which will be very good for the auto trading future, which is same under construction. You just start the auto trading future, and will, if an opportunity, a total amount of yes or no will be under 100 here, you will buy it automatically. So this is working in the background, but it's not executing the trades yet, because I need to test a bit more the model. But the concept is, as I said, a total of yes ask plus no ask to be under 100, and everything is calculated here. You see now the total is 105. So if you buy 1,000 contracts, you will be, when the price is closing, you will lose like 3.8%. But yeah, guys, sorry for the English. My English is not the best, I know. Sorry for the video quality. It's my, I don't know, maybe 50 times of recording. So yeah, it is what it is, guys. Let me know if you like what I built here, because I'll be pretty happy to share it with you and to help everyone to elevate his trading experience, because my experience, to be honest, wasn't the best. That's why I decided to build this. So yeah, let me know in the comments below what you think, what you like, what you don't like. If it will work just to put more effort into this, to fix all the things that doesn't work right now, and to convert everything in an extension to share with you guys, and I will do it. If no, it's not a problem. I can keep this thing for me. So I just wanted to show you guys that there is another way to trade it, not to be frustrated because you wanted to place a limit order and by default was market. You wanted to sell fast, but you couldn't because you had to click a lot. So yeah, the use case is there. Just need to polish this. My dog is barking here. Okay, guys, bye bye. See you soon.